If you want to sign a PDF using free software or online tools, then you are at the right place as we have the ways to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. In this video, you will learn how to sign a PDF document. You can draw a signature or type one and convert it to a handwriting style signature. Then, you can add your signature to any part of a page in the document and save the PDF with the added signature. You can also change the color of the signature and its size. Though many paid and free PDF editor tools are available, most of them lack the feature to add signatures to a PDF. Therefore, here is a list of some of the best free tools for signing PDF documents. Let's get started. One, Adobe Acrobat Reader DC. Adobe Acrobat Reader DC is a very popular PDF reader. It has a fill and sign tool which is free. You can use this tool to type your signature, draw a signature, and add a signature image like TIFF, GIF, TIF, JPG, and PNG. It also lets you add signature initials or delete a signature. You can download and install Adobe Acrobat Reader DC from here. Open a PDF using the File menu and then press Sign Document by typing or drawing a signature icon. Or else, you can also access the Tools menu and select Fill and Sign tool. You will see two options here, Add Signature and Add Initials. Use the first option. Now you can use any of the available options, Type, Draw, and Image. The first option provides 4 different handwriting styles. The second option lets you draw in freehand mode to create your signature. When your signature is created, press the Apply button. After that, again use the same sign document icon, and this time you will see the signature created by you. Click on that signature and it will be visible on your PDF document. Now, you can use the color icon to change the default color of the signature. 18 different colors are available. Place your signature anywhere on a PDF page and change its size using the given option. Finally, you can save PDF with an added signature using Save As or Save option present in the File menu. Two, Gaaiho Reader. Gaaiho Reader is a good competitor to other free PDF reader tools. In the handwritten signature option, you can start a freehand draw to create a signature with custom color and signature thickness. You can't select a handwriting style, but the option to manage signatures is present, which lets you delete created signatures, add signatures, rename a signature, etc. Download the software using this link. Add a PDF and then click on the handwritten signature tool present under the Home menu. After that, click on Place a handwritten signature option. It will open a box. In that box, select the signature type and then you can draw or type your signature. Use the options given for the selected signature type. Give a name to your signature and click on OK to save it. The next time, use the same handwritten signature tool to select a signature and add it to your PDF document. You can change the color, line color, and the opacity of the signature. 3. Foxit Reader. Foxit Reader lets you draw signature, import signature file, type signature, and paste signature from clipboard. The option to add online signature is also there, but it didn't work for me as I encountered an error. Download Foxit Reader and begin the installation process. Uncheck unwanted or extra options during the installation. When the interface is opened, add a PDF file. Go to Fill and Sign tab and click on the Create Signature button. Now a box will open where you will see different buttons to create a signature. Use Draw Signature or any other button to make your signature and save it. Create as many signatures as you want. After that, you can again use the Fill and Sign tab and use any of the available signatures. When the signature is added, you can also change its size. At last, you create a copy of the original PDF or add changes to existing PDF using the File menu and save your PDF with signatures. 4. SmallPDF. SmallPDF brings 20 plus tools to split, compress, merge, convert, protect PDF, etc. You need to use eSignPDF tool to create signatures in a freehand style or upload a signature image from the PC and add it to a particular place in the PDF document. You can also invite signers to add their signatures to that PDF. Its free plan lets you create 2 signatures and process only 2 PDF documents in a day. But it is pretty good to sign PDF online. Use this link to open the eSignPDF page of this service. After that, you can upload PDF from the device, Google Drive or Dropbox. Once the PDF document is uploaded, you can view its pages. On the right side bar, you will see your signature and your initials option. Use the first button and a box will open. Using that box, you can draw your own signature, type a signature, select any of the 3 handwriting styles, or upload a signature image. 3 different colors are available to draw a signature. The same options are available for creating initials. The signature is also automatically optimized to look even better. When the signature is ready, it is added to the right side bar. Just drag and drop the signature to a part on your PDF document. After that, you can press the Finish and Sign button to grab the output PDF with your signatures. If you want, you can also invite signers using the button available on the right side bar. You can add the first and last name of signers, your email address, and their email addresses. They will receive a link to open PDF and sign that PDF using this tool. Once all signers have signed the PDF, you will receive a download link for PDF in your email. 5. LightPDF. LightPDF Services Sign PDF tool lets you draw a signature or upload a signature image. You can create multiple signatures and then use any one of them. It also has one interesting feature using which you can add a signature to all the pages of your PDF document in a single click. This link will open its Sign PDF page. There, you can use the Select Files button to upload PDF from the desktop. When the PDF is uploaded, use the Create Signature button and you will see 2 options: Draw Signature and Upload Image. Use the first option and you can draw your signature using 60 plus colors. Click on the Yes button. Now that your signature is ready, place your mouse cursor on the Create Signature option. You will see the signature you added. Drag and drop that signature to any part of the PDF. You can also increase or decrease the size of the signature. There is also a plus button, using which you can add a signature to all the pages. These free tools are good enough to sign PDF files easily. The software has an advantage over online services because you don't have to worry about a file size limit. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.